Like I mentioned before, tying mathematics or tying math to the markets and to geometry is not an entirely easy thing, and the Genius formula has done that. So clearly, Kit's very keen. I'd say he's near mathematical genius to be able to come up with something like that.
Find anybody in the United States that has anything similar, equal, or anything that's even predictive as far as what Kick offers. He offers the greatest science that actually unveils prediction in the market. Is mathematically predictive, and unless you're dealing in the realm of mathematical predictability, which needs certain very, very peculiar students of mathematics to figure out, of which I would consider Kick to be a genius.
Hello, this is Kit Wong from GannExplain.com. This is a chart of the Dow Jones. Today is June the 12th, 2020, and now is UTC 1854. Wouldn't it be nice that if I tell you this itself is a cycle, once it breaks it will fall down, and then this itself is a cycle, and once it breaks it will fall down. This itself is a cycle, once it breaks it will fall down. This itself is a cycle, when it breaks it will go up, and this itself is a cycle, and once it breaks it will go up. So I expect the market at least hit here. Let's see what happened later. And let's see how much I can get from this trade. From a typical equity like US 1,500 USD. So these are all the buy trades, and I long around 20 contracts. Around 20 contracts at the price right here. See what I get after I exit my trade. And now I fast forward the time for 300 times. So now around 1 hour has passed, and I've almost doubled my equity from 10,000 Hong Kong dollar to 19,000 Hong Kong dollar now, reaching the 20,000 mark. I think in a few seconds it will reach 20,000, and you can see there's like a Dow rebound of 200 point, and once I'm in the market, there's like very little drawdown. I almost start profiting immediately, and now it becomes 20,000. Just two more tick. Okay, now it's 20,000 and I doubled my equity in just 1 hour. And there's absolutely no drawdown in this trade. And once I've entered the trade, it's become profitable for me. And it keep on growing and growing. Hello, this is Kit Wong. And today is July the 6th. 13-hour UTC, 16:11, and then this is the US chart. This time I want to show you the power of the Royal 14-day moon cycle. Now I got a sell signal here. Current price is 26,162, and I'm expecting a hit on 25,000 here. And I think before the mid of July, so before 14th of July, I'm expecting the market hit here. So now I have 2,000 Hong Kong dollar, which is around 260 270 US dollar, and the Dow Jones is at 26,030. I think it is the futures price, and I'm trying to short sell the maximum number of contracts, which is 9 contracts. So I sell at 26,026. Well, I've watched the market a bit, and it is around 10 minutes after the entry I made. I have decided to bet a little bit more, which is my standard bet, and I will deposit 10,000 Hong Kong dollar, which is around 1,500 USD, and I will sell all I can, which is 50 contracts. Let's see what happened 2 weeks later. So right now is 10th July, 3:56 UTC, and this is the US Dow Jones chart. We were filming the video here, and I said we should short here, and I actually got stopped out, and then we resume my position here, and then wait until here. Now I'm going to close the trade right here, and this is 600 Dow point drop in just 3 days using this royal 14-day moon cycle. So this is the power of this. Very little risk with comparison with a lot of potential. I expect it to go down more, but I think there's a temporary low here first, and then I'll wait again, maybe somewhere here to short sell again. But anyways, it is a good profits for me, so I'll close the position now. So let's now take a look on my actual plus 500 account. You can see that my equity level is around 31,000, and then I've tripled up my equity from 10K in my initial trade, and you can see I have sold a lot more contracts than my initial trade, and this is the original 10 contract, and most of them this is 17 and this is 10. Most of them is just for 6 contracts and so on. So this is a trading method that I like very much. I sell, and then let me share the closed position to you. So you can see that I earn like just like 20-30 US dollar per trade, and it's like I keep on trading, sell, I didn't buy, and then go on sell all the way back to 3 days ago. And I did stopped out by initially, which is and then I played around with silver, lose stupid 4,000 Hong Kong dollar by playing around. And I did initially stopped out. This is the 50 contract I initially sold, and then I stopped out while losing, and then I just build my way up because I know the trend is going to go down. So now I've tripled my equity, and I'm going to close it in front of you, and then I'm going to get all my money out back to my credit card, and then to enjoy life a bit, a day or two. And you can see I'm closing off, close, and then you see I usually set some pending order, which is like 50 pips, 100 pips above. So if it hit, then it will help me to sell new orders. Alright, so I have closed all my trade, and the final result is I got a around 300% 300% return with just 4 trading days, and I'm going to get the money out. So this is I'm still pending another withdrawal, so I cannot withdraw now. But it is the way that I trade. Only trade 10K every time, which is like 1,800 USD, and the risk only this amount. You can make it to like 5,000 USD or 180 USD. It depends, and my standard betting size is 10K Hong Kong dollar, which is around 1,800 USD. And then every time you deposit, and then when you have a winning withdraw everything out, and then at max you will only lose like one batch of your trade. So this is the way that you can do with like super high leverage. I think plus 500 is like having 300 leverage, 1 to 300. So good luck trading on your side, and you can continue to, if you want to continue to learn from us, then click the link below and to get our US $1 trial. And you have nothing to lose. It is just US $1, and then you can get to see our content is a lot different than the other game masters. After all, getting a profitable trade is the goal of every trader, and we strive to help you get consistent winning from the market, reap consistent profits from the market once you understand the market, once you read the market correctly.